angizenzelanga ithonga lathang thwase mina hey Nkosi angizenzelanga ithonga lathang thwase mina hayi asizenzelanga Nkosi yami kodwa with regards to the video that I just made previously ukuthi mabathi umthakathi ungakhali the word umthakathi actually it was not bad actually umthakathi it comes from ukuthaka umuntu owazi umuthi umuntu okwazi ukuthaka ukuhlanganisa imithi so bebethi mabathi umthakathi bebethi lo uyakwazi ukuthaka Nkosi yami how uyakwazi ukuhlanganisa so but because of now it was being used loosely then it ended up being it's a bad thing so yeah emakhosini lesithi khanya qamakunda weshew